Welcome back to Midnight Salad. In today's video, we're delving into the wacky realm of bizarre laws. Get ready to buckle up and explore 15 mind-boggling laws from around the world that will undoubtedly leave you scratching your head. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1, our first stop is Thailand, where the land of smiles has an unusual requirement. According to the law, it is illegal to leave your house without wearing underwear. Now, I'm all for personal hygiene, but seriously, do we really need the government legislating our undergarment choices? Talk about keeping things brief. Number 2, we're off to Sweden now, where they take home renovations very seriously. In fact, it is illegal to repaint your house without a government permit. I mean, who knew picking out a colour could be such a bureaucratic nightmare? I can only imagine the endless debates over shades of beige. Paint it pink and face the consequences. Number 3. Italy, the land of pizza, pasta, and strict beach regulations. Yes, my friends, in Italy, building sandcastles at the beach is against the law. Who needs castles made of sand when you can have centuries-old architecture to marvel at? But hey, it's always good to have a backup career plan. Sandcastle architect, anyone? Number 4, buckle up comrades as we head to Russia for this next one. Picture this, you're cruising down the road in your trusty automobile when you suddenly spot a police officer approaching. But wait, your car is dirty, and that's a big no-no in Russia. It's actually illegal to drive a dirty car. Looks like your vehicle needs a date with the nearest car wash. Pronto! Number 5, New Zealand, a beautiful land of breathtaking landscapes and interesting baby naming laws. You see, it is illegal to name your child Lucifer. Now, I know the devil is in the details, but isn't that taking it a bit too far? Sorry, Lucifer, but it seems you'll have to stick to your angelic counterparts. Number 6, we're headed to China now, where Tibetan monks face a rather unique legal requirement. According to the law, Tibetan monks need government approval to reincarnate. Yes, you heard that right. They can't just pop back into existence without jumping through some bureaucratic hoops. I can't help but wonder how they file those paperwork forms in the ethereal realm. Number 7, our next quirky law takes us to Belgium. Now, Sundays are supposed to be a day of rest, right? Well, in Belgium, that applies to your car too. It is illegal to wash your car on a Sunday. So, if you've got a dirty ride on the holy day, you'll just have to embrace the fifth or get a little sneaky with that sponge. Number 8. Now, I understand the importance of exercising your right to vote, but in Austria, they take it to a whole new level. It is illegal to wear a full suit of armour inside a polling station. Sorry, medieval enthusiasts, but your nightly attire will have to stay in the closet while you cast your ballot. Just remember, a suit and tie can be your modern-day armour. Number 9, back to Thailand we go, where currency is king, literally. Stepping on any currency is against the law because it bears the image of the king. So, if you find a few coins on the ground, think twice before giving them the boot. Your act of rebellion might land you in hot water, or maybe, should I say, hot soup. Number 10. In Hungary, there's a surprising limitation when it comes to public benches. Sitting for longer than 30 minutes is illegal. I guess the Hungarian government believes in keeping things brief and discouraging loitering. So if you plan on taking a leisurely break, make sure to keep an eye on the clock. Time flies when you're sitting, right? Before we proceed to the list, we kindly request that you consider liking, subscribing and commenting below with your favourite law. It won't cost you anything and it will greatly assist in promoting our content to a wider audience. Also, be sure to check out more of our videos on bizarre laws from around the world towards the end of this video. Now let's carry on. Number 11. Vietnam has its fair share of love stories, but they have a limit too. It is illegal for a man to marry the same woman more than 3 times. I guess it's a case of 3 strikes and you're out in the game of matrimony. So, if you're planning a 4th wedding, maybe consider taking a break from the whole tying the knot thing or just keeping it casual with a vow renewal ceremony. Number 12. Behold Romania, the land of mesmerizing forests and... Hold up a minute. Did you know it's actually against the law to venture into those woods if you are in the middle of Auntie Flo's monthly visit? Talk about a peculiar policy that'll leave you scratching your head. I mean, I'm all for nature and everything, but what's the deal with the connection between trees and menstrual cycles? Romania sure knows how to keep things interesting. Ladies, it seems like the local foliage requires a little me time during that monthly extravaganza. Who knew Mother Nature had such a secretive side? Number 13. We're taking a leap back in time now to ancient Greece. You might be thinking about throwing a toga party, but hold your horses, it is actually illegal to wear a toga in public in Greece. So if you've been practicing your best Caesar impression, you might want to keep it behind closed doors. Let's leave the toga wearing to the statues, shall we? Number 14. Sweden, our Scandinavian friends, have a surprising rule when it comes to knitting in public. Without a license, it's a big no-no, so before you grab those needles and yarn, make sure you have the paperwork sorted out. Who knew the world of knitting was such a tangled web of bureaucracy? Keep calm and carry yarn, my friends. Number 15, we're wrapping up our journey with Malaysia, where fashion takes an unexpected twist. It is illegal to sell or possess yellow-coloured clothing or accessories. Looks like yellow is just not their colour. I hope they make an exception for lemons because, let's face it, no one wants to commit a fashion crime unintentionally. And there you have it, folks, 15 bizarre and crazy laws from around the world. Check out these videos on more bizarre and crazy laws from around the world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the weird and wonderful world we live in. We'll catch you in the next video.